तमिलनाडु में आपको बताया जैसे कि 39 सीटों पर आज चुनाव हो जाएगा। हालांकि आज लोकसभा चुनाव के पहले चरण की वोटिंग हो रही है। फर्स्ट फेज की वोटिंग आज से शुरू हुई है और तमिलनाडु की सभी 39 सीटों पर आज वोट डाले जाएंगे। और इसी बीच आपको दोबारा से ये चलते हैं हमारी सहयोगी दीपाली के पास, जो हमें बताएंगे कि तमिलनाडु में की कॉन्टेस्ट क्या क्या है, कौन कौन से धाकड़ दिग्गज नेता हैं जो भिड़ने वाले हैं, किसका कितना जनाधार है और जनता किसे पसंद करेगी। बहरहाल वो तो देखने वाली बात होगी। दीपाली।
बिल्कुल श्वेता. Now in the first phase 1625, that's the total number of candidates, 1625. इसमें से सिर्फ तमिलनाडु में ही 950 candidates हैं, 76 women and the rest men. 950 total candidates in Tamil Nadu who are in political fray. So let's look at some key contest in Tamil Nadu. Now of course the first seat that we are discussing here is Chennai South. Now this is a contest, three-way contest, like I mentioned, the BJP, the DMK and the AIADMK. BJP, Tamilisai Soundararajan, now seasoned politician as we know, recently stepped down as governor to enter active politics, to re-enter active politics rather. Then we have Jayawardena J and we have Sumati T also in context. Let's move on to the next seat. So Tamilisai will be fighting against these two people. Then we have Nilgiris, of course, A. Raja versus L. Murugan from the BJP. He is a union minister. L. Murugan is a union minister and contesting against A. Raja, who is a DMK heavyweight. He has a stronghold on the seat, the Nilgiris seat. He has a stronghold on the seat. And he is seeking A. Raja from the DMK, who has a stronghold. He is seeking a second term from the constituencies. Then from Coimbatore, of course, the high-profile battle, we have Annamalai, who has risen here. He has created ripples in Tamil Nadu politics in a very short time. He's a former IPS officer who has created ripples in Tamil Nadu politics. He's a young neta. Then he's fighting against veteran neta Ganpati Rajkumar, of course. So the BJP has been banking on Annamalai's performance. Let's see where that goes. Then we have Theni constituency, TTV Dinakaran, of course, Shashikala's nephew from AMMK, and he is fighting against Sangha Tamilisavan from in the Theni constituency in Tamil Nadu. So these are some of the key constituencies, key contests in Tamil Nadu. Let's see if the BJP is able to make some inroads. Virudhunagar se we have Manikam Tagore, again a Congress MP, a sitting Congress MP, and they are fighting against Radhika Sarath Kumar from the BJP. So these are some of the key contests that we have in Tamil Nadu. Shweta, back to you.
जी बिल्कुल दीपाली, कांटे की टक्कर है, कई दिग्गज नेता चुनावी अखाड़े में हैं। दीपाली हमारे साथ बने रहिए।